What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to shake reduce our photos so we can save some of them from actually being unused. So this is a really simple, easy way to use Photoshop to make that happen. So what we're going to do is after we import our photo, I have this picture of the bunny that I took. So we're going to go to Filter, Sharpen, Shake Reduction. So all you're going to do, just like make the preview so you can see it. I prefer to put the preview on a face, so you know, the bunny's eyes or a face for someone, and this is gonna make so you can see detail and see if they're moving or not and how much the effect is working. So now we're gonna mess with the blur trace bounds, and all this is gonna do is it's gonna try to figure out where it has to actually unblur or unshake, I should say. So we're just gonna mess around with it. I prefer not to mess with smoothing or artifact suppression for the sake of it smooths it out. Sometimes it doesn't have the same pristine quality. So you can see that it's done a pretty good job compared to what we had before. So it's very subtle, but you'll see it. So now we're gonna press OK. It's gonna do its thing. And now once we go here, you can see the effect. So if I go Control Z to actually show you, that's the before and that's the after. So if we zoom in, you could probably clean this up a bit more, but this is the basic way of doing it. So, see? Control Z, but then Control Shift Z. You can see more effect, more of the fur has come back, more of the lines have come back in. So it's a really simple, easy effect to do. All you have to know is how to do it and what to apply it for, and the extent of how you have to put it in. So yeah, this is it. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and learned something. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know below. And even look at my Instagram for some of these photos and how I've worked on them. I've worked on them for longer than just the video length, so you'll see how they turned out. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Bye.